Good morning, traders. Uh, Welcome to the very spontaneous video. This one should be really short without talking too much. I'm just reading the chart. I didn't want to work honestly today because of NFP. Because I just want to be wanted to be lazy today, doing nothing. But it was stronger than me. I opened Discord, I opened MetaTrader. First of all, I seen a wonderful trade taken by Khalid. Very clean and good. And as you, Khalid, mentioned, do not be scared. Yes, if you see that something is coming, that your criteria are probably all met, and you see like clean words in the book that this is what you would take. Why not? Yes, it all depends on the risk we can accept. Because I will always think, and I will always be talking like this, that if people are avoiding taking trades because I wasn't sure, or I was waiting too long, it only means for me that the risk is set too high. Even if this is 1%, maybe this is too high, because what is 1% of your account? You need to make plenty of losses to be close to your margin. Yes, I'm not talking about 100 losses in a row to blow the account, because this is also should be impossible. But even should be very crazy to take 20 losses in a row. Yes, so maybe this 1%, maybe you have too big account. Maybe you trade account like 15,000 and the 1% for you is a lot. So I loved what I read, yes. You said it's beautiful. Why not when setup is showing itself so neatly? So brilliant approach, bravo really, and the trade was very nice. What's then? No. I thought that I'm in the wrong chat. Yes, Khalid is from TVT20. And then Ramon, thank you for your print screen. You are a pretty new member. You said that not TVT setup, but I am getting to understand the footprint. Anyway, really the setup was correct. I was in almost same trade, but today I was trading 2.5 minutes just because I had a feeling. It wasn't to make big money. I risked really low, not my 1% as always. I got today just 500s. I just didn't want to risk an NFP day. So even if I would be doing copy trading, also I would be not trading like today. So I was even thinking about my own account if this is the correct way, but it was just 2.5 minutes in a trade. Yeah, I closed it earlier. I just wanted to see if my entry could be without drawdown, and it was. So I will explain. So Ramon, your setup was very good. You chose a very good area of interest to look for entry. Let's take a look. This is a M5. Yeah, so I want to see this range as a ask bid if there are any anomalies, because price broke that supply. Yes, we had here range, market dropped, so here was supply, but it was broken. Here in this top we have fresh high. So I'm looking for any anomalies which could invite sellers from that supply. Yes, I hope that you see this. Here we have supply zone. So something happened exactly here on this range to break the zone. And here comes also the low from the course. I believe that it's in the intermediate part, that if price is hanging too much time below supply, it's very high chances, very big probability to break of it. And once again it happened. Beautiful, yes. So something here happened in this area which caused the break. So what could cause the break? The demand. Yeah, so I'm looking for anomaly in the delta on M5 time frame. Take a look on this indecision candle. Looks like the hanging man, if you are looking for basic patterns from retail courses, hanging man could be the sign of reversal. But our hanging man had huge delta, negative delta. So why hanging man? Because when the price was going down, was activating buy limit orders and then close above. So all the orders were activated. It was preparing to break the zone, and it happened. So this is my area, yes, from M5 based on delta, because price made a high. So then I switched to the M1 time frame. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, I'm here. And I am looking where the initial move from buyers started. It was that one candle. Yes, you can see here appeared the delta. Could be also here, maybe. But the price went deeper. So it's here I still have any rule which candle decides to choose. It's now based more in my practice and experience, but I just feel that one candle decided in this 1 minute that price don't want to go lower and break that zone, don't want to let the sellers drop. So I chose that one candle. Yeah, so we have a setup M5 demand based on delta, and also based on delta where the move started, where the buyers said the last no. No for sellers. Ah, need to drink, still throat problems. Okay, now if price is somewhere here, yes, because if price is here, then we can look for a reason of that move of new high. So when the setup is already drawn, I would switch to the M1 and watching. Is watching for what? For decreasing volume on my area of interest. Sometimes it can be just touch of the higher edge M5 zone. Not always need to really touch the M1. This is what I observed also. But for sure, it's lower risk entry when the M1 is also tapped. So let's analyze the volume. Here is lower, here is increasing, and boom! Stopped. The volume died. Next candle is also low, but growing, yes. Here could be the perfect entry on that candle, 1103, sorry. Stop loss below, yes. With current conditions, the 10 pips is something normal. Don't be scared of this number. Below just the zone, yeah. Aiming for this high, this area of imbalances. Let's check 10 to the 25 to the 20 as this resistance here. 1 to the 2 was possible. I also marked the higher zone. It was my initial TP. This is the zone from Friday. What I'm talking from yesterday, from Thursday. Based on what I marked this? I marked this yesterday. Also anomaly. Yes, here we have very huge positive delta. It just activated sell orders and dropped down. So here was my supply. Really, I love the new way with delta. It's giving me more opportunities, or just better understanding where the price is and what is cooking right now. Then just the leg out is confirming the view. Brilliant. So go back to the M1. I entered honestly here when this week was going to be broken. I entered later with bigger stop loss, like also below that one, not below all the zone, but as move already happened with two imbalances, I just didn't expect deeper invader, because that would break both imbalances and made all the setup invalid. Yeah, so if price want to just retest that one, it's still okay. I would be in drawdown. But if it would break this and go deeper, no chances. Yeah, the buyers were taken. So no need to, in that case, of course, in this scenario, after seeing two bullish imbalances, to set so low stop loss, because it would be just a hope that price will reverse, but there will be any logical confirmation for reverse after breaking bullish imbalances on the way. That would be just the information that sellers are taking control. So in my entry, let's check this. You can see very small position. I didn't risk whole percent. I entered 11.30. It was, yeah, as I said, breaking this half of this candle, and I was 11.14, yeah, 2.5 minutes in the trade. My TP was set 12, yes, below that zone, but I was feeling like I'm cheating myself. Yes, I didn't want to trade today. I jumped into the trade, so I just closed my position exactly at the closure of that second candle. Yeah, so 1 and 2 candles. Wow, sorry. Very small trade. I didn't want to show you this, but anyway, it was 12 pips. Yes, 12 pips. It's a good move. So I can say it was like 1-to-1. Still happy with this profits, because it was with any half pip or 0.1 pip drawdown, nothing. Just I caught the momentum. So Ramon, your setup was very good. Even if you didn't notice this, I want to confirm with pleasure that that setup was indeed TVT. Especially in the new way of TVT, like I'm marking the zones right now. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Nice that you caught this, even if this is paper trading or live. I don't know, and honestly don't want to know right now. I'm just happy that you've seen something. Very, very good. So I hadn't saw balls. At 12 pips, 2 candles, and I was done. Really, it was just because of the feeling that, oh no, I said to myself, I am not trading NFP for myself, for anyone. And then my fingers were, oh yeah, setup, yes, I can trade. And of course, if that would be the loss, I would be very angry at me. So no, I decided this time, okay, candle closure, I'm done. Of course, could be held longer. No, just kidding. I just wanted to check if that would would play without paper trading. I'm happy that it came even deeper than I thought. I thought that really somewhere below that area could be another reversal because of what? Because of these plenty imbalances here. But anyway. Great, guys, thank you that you are active on the chat. Just please ask sometimes questions or give feedback after videos, after our trades, from me, from stacks, because without feedback we are not able to focus on something. As I'm just recording the videos because I like this, I like talking, I like sharing my new ideas, but without feedback, when there's no reaction, it is, okay, maybe they want another recording, maybe they don't want, maybe this week I will not record anything, who cares. But then some of you is asking question, and this is perfect. Yeah, like last time, Christoph gave me a list of suggestions, what he want to see in the video, what should be covered, to give maybe better understanding or update to what is going on. Yes, because I am not 100% following now the course because of these moves. Yes, this crazy that 2 candles can make 15 pips or 30 pips movement. Take a look, just that, how much it took. Well, it was 50 pips, like few and 1 to 3 candles. Yes, 3 and 5 candles, 50 pips. So I'm not so precise now to take 3 pips stop loss. This is just still same percentage, yes. 10 pips stop loss to 30 pips as TP is still 1 to the 3. And what is funny, in the same time, yes, the 30 pips didn't change the time, and we are still in trades 15-25 minutes. Just faster moves, bigger distances. Okay, never mind. Please, guys, the feedback is the kind of motor for me. It's getting me fueled. What to do next? What to record? What to focus on? Maybe you don't understand. I don't know, the steady absorption or the limit orders or the new way of marking the zones, or you don't even know how to maybe draw the main supply and demand to find the bias. Where even this is an example from the previous group from maybe over a year ago. Someone even asked me, Seb, how it is that you open the charts and you already know that you are looking for a buy? Because when I'm opening my MetaTrader, I don't know what to do, what to focus on, yes, what to look for, which setup. And how it is that you open MetaTrader and you see, oh yes, in the next 2 hours I want to see buys. How you are doing this? And this is the specific question. I like questions because this is helping me with sharing the knowledge. But okay, it's up to you. Yes, we are one whole group. Glad to see you all here. Happy that there are no days without any messages on the chat, on the main chat. I love that you are active on GU only, not in private messages. This is also important because I'm not here alone. Stax is doing amazing job. He's my biggest support since really 2 years when I'm educator. So if I'm not replying, he's replying, and this is very nice. So no more private messages. Okay, thank you guys. I said in the beginning short video. Now it's as usual longer, but I will not. 18 minutes is enough. Good. Have a wonderful weekend, guys, and see you Monday.